It goes right down the ground. Here we go.
Uncle Bob.
Oh, that was dominance in its best form. Right there. Look at that.
So you never goes for
Titan, now you. This is new. This whole thing is kind of new with Titan going straight down. Because before Titan was just like, yeah, I'm gonna keep going.
He must have put him in his place.
They're doing the dance. It's like, leave her alone.
It's like you can play, but don't fight.
You can play with her, but don't hurt her. She keeps on going. She is an instigator.
She's like, oh, it looks good. Get some food, because Uncle Puppy will let me.
Does anybody have like a coin?
He's like, all right, I'm on guard
And
dog
Titan's
duty.
like, I
Penny
can't.
on them right now?
Look at her flap.
Yeah, I'm sorry to pop my case up to my bed.
Look at those two love balls. They love each other. They're cousins.
Brothers.